Hello, everybody. My name is Annalise Barnes, and this is my Augmentative and Assistive Technology project for Education 6053. The device that I took a closer look at is called SymbolSticks, a new symbol system available by N2Y. And if you haven't heard of N2Y before, it stands for News to You. What is SymbolSticks? SymbolSticks is a database of symbols. Another way to say that, it provides visual support for people with language needs. It gives accessible communication for non-readers. Just a couple of things about it there. Which target user would SymbolSticks benefit? Quite a few, actually. People who are nonverbal or struggle with other communicative language, individuals on the autism spectrum disorder, emergent learners, new to literacy practices, English language learners, individuals with brain injuries, aphasia, or hearing loss as well. A couple features of SymbolSticks: searchable symbol library of over 30,000 symbols, which is incredible. There is some freedom for both educators and the students that use these. You can either start from scratch, customizing your own communication boards or visual cues based on that individual's needs, or you can use already created templates. This is an awesome app because this is an awesome program to purchase because you can use symbols both in digital format as well as print up hard copies, making it very accessible. Content can be easily delivered to a student's device as well. So another thing about purchasing a program like SymbolSticks is it is providing access for people, for non-readers. It's encouraging communication. It's giving them that visual support, which is helping give them meaning behind the words that they're seeing. Another thing that's great about SymbolSticks is, as you saw in this earlier slide right here, all of the characters on SymbolSticks images are very simplistic. You don't see gender, no cultural attributes, no age. Really, the purpose of that is to just get the learner to focus on the symbol, not those little details. Just they're really focusing on what does this symbol represent to me, not, wow, I really like the color of that girl's little pink shirt on that symbol. Here are some visual examples. Another great thing about SymbolSticks is it can be used to benefit people in very many different ways. So on the far left, probably a lot of us have seen this before. This is a visual schedule that can benefit a lot of different populations of students, most commonly used with students with autism spectrum disorder. And that's an example of customization. You can easily customize that to align with a student's schedule. In the middle there, that would be a great activity for community helpers, how to keep us safe, how to familiarize ourselves with our environment. On the right, that is the one that I am most familiar with, is creating your own communication board, but that's also teaching social emotional learning. They're learning how to communicate the way that they're feeling and thinking with other people, as well as maybe using that to try to understand the emotions of people around them. I think for SymbolSticks, the pros far outweigh the cons. I might have said a couple of these earlier. It does provide access to people that cannot yet read. It encourages communication as well as conversation. A lot of those symbols and symbol sticks can be a conversation starter. Intuitive, easy to use platform. As we said, the hard copies can be printed up, so you don't need to have an expensive device to download it. You can literally access it online, print it up, put it in some plastic sleeves, easily accessible, no matter what the setting. It can support social emotional goals, practice. It has a simple design like I talked about, so the viewers can focus on the concept rather than those details. Customizable, you can build your own based on an individual's needs. You can also save or reuse, which is fantastic. I mean, we know as educators how busy they are and how little time sometimes they have to prepare. So that is a huge bonus. And I wanted to leave that last. They actually aligned a common core, which is fabulous, regardless of what town or state you're in. There's going to be concepts that will benefit students no matter where they're attending school. And the couple cons that I was able to come up with, oh, you know what? The next slide, I believe, talks about the price. Symbol Sticks is $129 for an annual license, which can be costly depending on a teacher's budget. It does require preparation, for instance, of the printing up of the hard copies. It requires internet access for you to access it online. It will need some sort of protective covering, whether you're using this on an iPad, an electronic device, or even just in plastic sleeves. It definitely needs some sort of protective covering to keep it long lasting. And finally, I think another con for some, depending on the individual, is that symbols might not clearly be understood. So with symbol sticks, it might still require some pre-teaching, which that's always beneficial, right? And where can I purchase symbol sticks if I am interested? You can go on the n2y.com website, and for $129, you can purchase a 1-year license. One more thing that is great about this N2Y website where you would purchase symbol sticks is that you can actually try samples, you can request a free trial, you can ask for a quote if you're going to get multiple licenses as well for different school campuses. Okay, that is my presentation. I hope you guys feel a little more familiar with N2Y and more specifically symbol sticks. Thank you and have an awesome holiday.